Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. Today we will be solving a single or double inequality of the form -3 is less than 2m plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. We will be providing the inequality form as well as the interval notation form of the solution. Let's get started. We start with the inequality -3 less than 2m plus 4 less than or equal to 9. Our goal is to isolate the variable m in the middle part of the inequality. The first step is to remove the constant term from the middle expression. The constant term here is 4. To do this, we subtract 4 from each part of the inequality. So we take the original inequality, -3 less than 2m plus 4 less than or equal to 9, and subtract 4 from each part. This gives us -3 minus 4 less than 2m plus 4 minus 4 less than or equal to 9 minus 4. Simplifying these, we get -7 less than 2m less than or equal to 5. At this point, we have successfully removed the constant term from the middle, and the expression is now simplified to -7 less than 2m less than or equal to 5. In this step, we altered the expression by subtracting 4 from every part of the inequality, which keeps the balance of the comparison and helps us in getting closer to isolating the variable m. This step of subtracting 4 is applied uniformly to ensure that the inequality properties are maintained, and we are moving toward isolating m while adjusting the comparison values accordingly. Now that we have simplified the inequality to -7 less than 2m less than or equal to 5, our next step is to isolate the variable m. Since 2m is currently multiplied by 2, we want to remove this multiplication by dividing each part of the inequality by 2. This action will help us get m by itself in the middle part of the inequality. Starting with the simplified inequality -7 less than 2m less than or equal to 5, we will divide each part by 2. So we have -7 divided by 2, less than 2m divided by 2, less than or equal to 5 divided by 2. Keep in mind, dividing by 2 is necessary because it undoes the multiplication by 2 that is currently with m. Simplifying these divisions, we get -7 divided by 2 is -7 halves. 2m divided by 2 is simply m. And 5 divided by 2 is 5 halves. Therefore, the inequality now reads -7 halves less than m less than or equal to 5 halves. We have now completely isolated m in the middle part of the inequality. To summarize, we divided each part of the inequality by 2 to isolate m. This rule of dividing each part by the same number ensures we maintain the inequality's balance and correctly adjust the comparison values accordingly. The inequality form of the solution is -7 halves less than m less than or equal to 5 halves. In interval notation, this is written as open interval -7 halves, comma, closed interval 5 halves. This final step illustrates our goal of fully isolating the variable m, which we achieved by dividing each section of the inequality by 2 and simplifying the resulting fractions. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.